Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I am just here for a minute with you to invite you to a relationship class I'm hosting on 3/10/2021 at 4 p.m. Mountain Time and 6 p.m. Eastern Time. My Cash App and information will be available. You can go to my Instagram bio to find out about other classes and even some of the young women that I work with. Dance with your partner, not their confusion. Sometimes you got to make changes in what you're doing so that you don't get caught up in their confusion. Oftentimes people believe that what's happening in a relationship belongs to them wholeheartedly. You change you and they're to change them. We work on ourselves, and so we'll be talking about communication. We'll be talking about relationships on a whole, relationship with yourself, your spiritual relationship, and those dynamics. And so if you are interested, definitely email me at ifwbuilders@gmail.com. Contact me on Instagram or Facebook. Also, just get in contact with yourself. And I want to give a shout out to all of my supporters, those that have been there with me, those that are in my coaching program, and just thank you for everything that you do. Have a wonderful day.